Everyone, my name is Bobby J.P. Moscosa and this is my report in Ed 304. The key elements of school as a social system, the first is politics, second, technical core for teaching and learning, and the third one is environment. First, let's define what is school. School is a thought of a social system with its characteristic institutional function of socialization. Schools transcends their role as a mere educational institution. They function as a complex social system where students are not just passive learners but active participants in a process of socialization. Is an organized whole comprising interactive personalities bound together in an organic relationship by Walter 1932. A place or establishment for teaching and learning. First, let's define what is social system. Social system is a group of elements and activities that interact and constitute a single social entity by Longress 2000. Understanding social system through the lens of interactive empowers us to analyze their impact on the individual and society as a whole. These are the key elements of school as a social system. The first is structure, second, individual, third, culture, fourth, politics, technical core for teaching and learning, environment, outcomes, and government. My topic is only a politics. So, politics is an informal power, spontaneously relation that develop. Politics emerge from the interactive of authority and power within an organization. At the heart of this internal politics lies a complex interplay between authority and power. So there are two, power and authority. First, let's define what is power. Power is the capacity to secure the dominant and one goals of or value over others. The ability or right to control people in event or to influence the way people act or think in the important ways. So the next is authority. Authority is the right or power to command, govern, or enforce evidence. Authority is a power or right usually because of rank or office to issue command and to punish for violation. To have authority over subordinates. So the second is technical core for teaching and learning. Structure or the organization, the actual product of the organization is produced. Teaching and learning in the classroom. Goal to empower all students access is a meaningful and effective manner. Has a variables interact with each other as the learners work towards their goal. Teaching and learning can be taught. The technical core or teaching and learning is the engine that drives the educational system forward by skillfully employing a range of instructional methods, setting clear learning goals, and utilizing effective assessment practice. Educators can create dynamic and purposeful learning environment where all students can strive. Teaching pedagogies. Teachers asking questions to find out prior knowledge of the students. Teachers giving rewards for the efforts of the students. Learning style. The first is visual, kinesthetic, oral, social, solitary, verbal, and logical. teaching and learning can be through techniques or implementation that which actually takes place in the classroom. It is a particular strike or procedure that accomplish an immediate objectives. Environment, the third one. Classroom environment influences or supports the interactions that occurs among children, teachers, and family member. Critically to the organization functioning of school. It is the system course of energy. It provides sources, values, technology, demand, and history. Set of relation that occurs among members of school community that are determined by structural, personal, and functional factors of the educational institution. Characterized by its facilities, classrooms, practice, school-based health support, and disciplinary policies, and practice, it sets the stage for the internal factors that affect students. The classroom environment is far more than just a physical space. It's a dynamic ecosystem that shapes and supports the interactions between children, teachers, and families. That's all for my report, and thank you.